guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can rotate a video on TikTok. So like you can make a landscape video portrait, and the other way around. So to do that, press the record button, and I'm just going to press upload. Select the video you want to rotate. Press next, and then press adjust clips. Here you can press this rotate button to just rotate your video. For instance, you want to make it portrait, you can do that by just pressing on it. Press save, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!